To use a document reader in Brightspace, there are a couple things you do need to know. Word and PDF documents will be the same, but HTML pages are different, so we will cover both of those different types of formats. Alright, here I can see that I have a Word document. I will click on this, and Brightspace will open it up in a reading view. If I scroll down to the bottom, click Open with Doc Reader. It will take a second for it to load up. And here we have a series of different tools to use. This one here will use up some of the reading window, but gives you an overview of all the pages, and you can navigate clicking on those. If you need more room, you can minimize that. Here is another option for navigating through your pages. You select one to get to the next. Alright. Now the listen feature, if you do not highlight anything, it will begin at the top of the page and read through that entire page. If you highlight something, for example that, and click listen, it will start reading that particular section for you. I will hit stop. Alright, another feature, this is the default. If you have a lot of formatting within a document that is distracting, you can just go to a text only version and it will remove all that extra formatting. And it's easy to toggle back and forth. Clicking on more tools will reveal the gear icon where you can customize the doc reader for your particular tastes. Once you have made any kind of changes, you want to click Save. Now this tool will black out the rest of the page except for what your mouse is hovering over. And you can make this smaller or bigger depending on what you like. To get out of it, click the X. Another option is this reading ruler. And once again, you can customize it by clicking on this, and it will help line up the text for you. Get out of it, click the X. Alright, going down, you also have a magnifier down here that can help you enlarge text, but once you get past a certain size, you will have to use the bottom bar to move the page side to side so you can read all of the text. Okay, now let's go back to the HTML file types. Those will show up as a web page. This will be the same document as we have viewed earlier. Now this will not open up in the same type of window as the docx file or the PDF. And the doc reader is this little bullet up here. If you click on this, it will start reading from the top all the way through the entire document. Now the downside of this is you cannot highlight and read a specific section like you could on the other one. And you also don't have the ruler features as well. You are able to come in and customize your reader for HTML documents, much like the other one. But this is probably the most unique feature. You can download this entire document as an MP3, download it on your phone or a laptop, and take it with you anywhere you want to utilize the doc reader. Alright, if you do roll down and you click on Open with Doc Reader, you will get an error message because this window does not support that particular file type. Okay. Now if you have any questions about the doc reader within Brightspace, please contact me or Caleb in the basement of Cowan Hall in room 110. Now there are many other types of screen readers out there, free and paid, and you would have to explore those different ones that are out there. And there's some that can attach to web browsers, or some are embedded within Microsoft Word, or even Mac has some accessibility features built into there. You will just have to do a search to figure out what tool is going to be best for you.